Do you like to be in the fifth dimension? Do you like to be already in your potential as human? We're gonna do together a beautiful, amazing workshop about self-empowerment, personal power, and the fifth dimension. How can we access the fifth dimension to help us to have a different experience in life, where we become creators instead of victims?
I think it's going to be such an important workshop, especially for the situation that we are kind of like moving through in life at this moment. One of the tools that we're going to be offering this weekend, coming up in April, is that people are going to be able to find within themselves what it is that they need to, to move through a situation that otherwise they wouldn't know how to move. There's going to be healing techniques that are going to be taught. There's going to be self-awareness. There's going to be so much understanding of what it is that we are doing. A lot of the things that we do in life. What is taking us there, and sometimes we're in a situation or an experience that we have lived before, and we're like, okay, why are we repeating this, and what's going on here? So being able to analyze where that behavior is coming from and what you could do about it is definitely going to be life-changing for a lot of people. We're going to be able to break patterns and to really move forward and obtaining the life that we want, and moving as we are moving into the fifth dimension. Also, the tools that we need to get there, and what the fifth dimension look like, and what that it is for us.
And it's going to be April 29th and 30th, Saturday and Sunday, from 10 to 5 the first day, and from 10 to 4 the second day. And it's going to be where, Minsu?
It's going to be at our center in Minsu Healing Oasis in Miami. And just bring yourself, bring your desire to learn, to grow, to heal, and to discover more about who you are and where we're heading. So we are definitely looking forward to having you all there.